Hello student, today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions of Kingdom Plantae, Division Thallophyta, Algae. The first question is maximum assimilation of carbon dioxide through photosynthesis is contributed by. So the maximum assimilation of carbon dioxide is assimilated through photosynthesis by the algae. So the right choice is algae. Next question, which of the following is the parasitic species of algae? The parasitic species of algae is Cephalorus. B1. Next is green algae belong to B1, that is the Chlorophyceae. Next, peritinoid are proteins surrounded by oil drops, starch surrounded by protein grains, proteins surrounded by starch grain. C is the right choice, that proteins surrounded by starch grain is the peritinoids. Algae found in the thermal springs belongs to Cyanophyceae. That C choice is the right choice. Next is 6.1. Spirogara belong to order. Order is conjugates. A choice. Next is spiral arrangement of chloroplast is found in. Spiral arrangement of chloroplast is found in Spirogara. Due to this reason, it is named Spirogara. Red color of Red Sea is due to the Trichodesmium erythrum. That is the A choice. Zygospore of Spirogara is the zygospore. It is diploid because it is formed after the fusion of the haploid gamete, and this is the sporophytic generation for a very short period. Iodine is obtained from Laminaria, that is A1. Pound silk is the name of Spirogara. It is due to the presence of mucilage on the upper surface of the Spirogara. Next one is, in Spirogara, meiosis takes place during during the germination of zygospore. So C is the right choice, that meiosis takes place during zygospore germination. Next one is, Spirogara filament grows in length by division of its. Spirogara filament grow in the length by the division of its apical cell, upper cell. There are two cells. The upper cell is growing into the filament of Spirogara, and the second one in the rhizoid cell. 14 number, in Spirogara meiosis occurs as the zygospore germinates. That is the A choice. As zygospore germinates, meiosis is taking place. The next one is, during germination of zygospore in Spirogara, dash takes place. Same question is there, that meiosis is followed by mitosis. Meiosis is taking place in the germination of the zygospore, and it is followed by the mitosis. Red tea rust is caused by Cephalorus. That is the D choice. All algae contain chlorophyll A and carotene. This is contained by all the algae. The gamete of Chlamydomonas are biflagellated. So B1 is the right choice. 19 is, the parasite algae is Cephalorus. A choice. Peritinoids are found in chloroplast. A choice is the right one, chloroplast. The process of mingling of protoplasm without nuclear fusion is called plasmogamy. That is the failure of sexual reproduction in which two nucleus are not fused, and so there is two nucleus present in one cell, they are not fused. This is called plasmogamy. Protoplasm of two parent cell fuses together without the fusion of nucleus. Next one is the dominating pigment occurring in the algae class Cyanophyceae is, that is the phycocyanin. C is the right choice of this question.